dear students? All are fine. And stay safe, stay home. And have you done your homework? Any doubt from that section? Is it? Any doubt from that section? Can we start today class? Okay. In previous class, what we discussed? We discussed the exercise 2.2. Is it? Yes. We discussed about exercise 2.2. Page number is 28. Is it? We are completing the question number 30. Is it? Today we are going to start with the question number 14. Question number 14. That is question number 14 means what is 14? 14 means Lakshmi in a cashier in a bank. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination does she have? How many notes of each denominations does she have? That is, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She have some notes in denominations. That is, note means 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. And their ratio is 2:3:5. And total amount is what? Total amount is 4 lakhs. We want to find the number of notes: 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 10 rupees. Is it? Yes. That is the number. Let x be the number of notes. Number of notes. Then what is the number of 100 notes? Number of 100 notes is 100 rupee note is equal to what we can write? 2x. And number of 50 rupee notes equal to what we can write? We can write 3x. And number of 10 rupees notes, 10 rupee notes equal to 5x. Equal to 5x. And what is the next? Why I write like this? What is the reason? Because we know that, or according to question, there is the ratio 2:3:5. Is it? 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees, that is what? That is, the ratio is 2:3:5. So we can write number of 100 rupee notes equal to 2x. And number of 50 rupees notes equal to 3x. And number of 10 rupees notes equal to 5x. Is it? Yes, it is right. It is correct. It is correct. And amount of 100 rupees notes equal to what we can write? 100 into 2x. 100 into 2x we can write. And the amount of 50 rupees notes equal to 50 into 3x. Because we know that 200 rupees means 2 into 100. Is it? That is, 200 rupees means there is 2 notes 100. Then what is the amount? Total amount, that is 2 into 100, that is 200. Like that, the amount of 100 rupees notes. Here 2x is number of notes. Then what is the amount? 100 into 2x. That is 100 into number of notes. Next, amount of 50 rupees notes equal to 50 into 3x. And also what we can write? And also amount of 10 rupees notes. 10 into 5x. 10 into 5x. That is what we can write. That is the sum is, what is the sum? Sum is 4 lakhs. Is it? That means the total amount is 200x. That is 100 into 2x means 200x plus 50 into 3x means 150x plus 50x equal to 4 lakh. Is it? Is it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Is it? 10,000 lakh. Is it? From question X. Yes. 4 lakh is right. 4 lakh is right. That is, when we add these, what we get? We get 4 lakh. 400x equal to 4 lakh. Is it? That is x equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. Is it? Yes. And that is 1000. That is 1000. Is it? Yes. That is, what is, we take x as number of notes. That is, x is 1000. That is, number of 100 note is 2x. That is 2 into 1000. We get 2000. Is it? And number of 50 rupees 3x, 3 into 1000, that is 3000. And number of 10 rupees notes, that is 5 into 5x, that is 5 into 1000, that is 5000. Is it? That is, the number of 100 notes is 2000, number of 50 rupees notes is 3000, and number of 10 rupees notes is 5000. This is the answer. Any doubt? Okay. That is, next we are going to study about solving equation having the variable on both sides. In your exercise 15 and 16 are for your homework. Please write your homework in your notebook and find the solutions. Any doubt, contact me, and we are going to discuss new topic, that is solving equation having the variable on both sides. We want to solve the variables in both sides. That is, for example, 2x minus, for example, 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. We want to find we want to solve the variable. Is it? Here the variable is on both sides. One in left side and one in right side. Is it? We want to solve. That is, first, when we get a solving problem, first we arrange known in one part, unknown in one part. That is, if there is equal sign, then we arrange the known parts as right side of equal sign. Unknown part is left side of equal sign. That is, here 2x equal to x plus 2 plus 3. That is, 3 is going to right side. 3 is going to right side. 3 is going to right side. Then here is minus or subtraction is when subtraction is going to right side or transporting, then it is product is or result is plus or addition. So here is negative 3, that is when we go into right side, this is positive 3. This is positive 3. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, here 2x equal to x plus 5. X plus 5. Is it? Yes. And here we can, here is a x. We want to, one way is we want to move x to left side. This is a way. And another way is we can, here is what x. We can subtract x on both sides. We can subtract x on both sides. As you like, here I take 2x minus x, that is x is moving to left side, equal to 5. Otherwise, or 2x minus x, x plus 5 minus x. X plus 5 minus x. That is what we get. We get x equal to 5. Answer, x equal to 5. That is, here minus x and x is cancelled. That is x equal to 5. This is the solution. That is, when we give x as 5, the equation is satisfied or equation is correct. We can check, that is 2 into 5. What is the answer? 2 into 5, that is 10. Minus 3. What we get? 7. Is it? And here is also what? X plus 2, that is 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. That is equal to 7. That is x plus 2, that is 5 plus 2 equal to 7. That is left side and right side are equal. Left side and right side are equal. Okay. And next example is for another example, that is example 30. So 5x plus 7 by 2 equal to 3 by 2x minus 40. 3 by 2x minus 40. This is the next one. And what we can write here? What we can write? That is, here 5x plus 7 by 2 equal to 3 by 2x minus 40. Is it? Yes. And we can solve x. Is it? Can you solve? Yes. That is, here first multiply 2 in throughout. In this equation, I multiply 2 in throughout. That is 2 into 5x plus 2 into 7 by 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 2x minus 2 into 40. Is it? Yes. That is, here we get 10x plus, is it 2 into 5? 10x. That is 2 into 5x, 10x. That is, here 2 is cancelling, that is 7 equal to 3x. That is 2 into 2 we are cancelling, so we get 3x minus 28. Minus 28. Is it? Any doubt? Any doubt? that is 10x minus 3x equal to minus 28 minus 7. 7 is going to right side. 7 is going to right side. That is here we get 7x equal to minus 35. 7x equal to minus 35. That is x equal to minus 35 by 7. That is we get minus 5. We get minus 5. We get minus 5 as answer for solution. Is it? Any doubt? Any doubt? That is minus 5 is the x value. When we give minus 5, x as minus 5, then the equation is satisfied. Or equation is correct. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the exercise 2.3. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. That is exercise 2.3. Means that is first question is solve the following equation and check your result. We want to solve the following equations and check your results, and we want to check our result. Is it? That is first question is what? First question is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. 3x equal to 2x plus 18. That is what is the answer? Here we can write 3x minus 2x. Is it? Here 3x minus 2x. That is equal to 18. That is equal to 18. Is it? Yes. That is 2x is coming to left side. So the equation, that is there is addition. When we move to left side, that is going to subtraction, plus is going to minus, or plus is going to negative, that is 3x minus 2x equal to 18. Is it? Yes. That is here x equal to 18. X equal to 18. The answer is x equal to 18. X equal to 18. Is it? Yes. That is the answer. And next one is what? 5t minus 3. Second one is 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. 3t minus 5. That is, what is the answer? What is the answer? That is here 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. And next, anyone can say the answer. Can you follow? Okay, any doubt? Okay, that is, what is the next? 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. What is the answer? Can you solve this? Yes, what is the answer? Anyone can say? Yes, that is 5t minus 3t. 3t is moving to left side. That is 3t equal to, that is 5t minus 3t equal to minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. And what we get? 2t equal to what? Minus 2. 2t equal to minus 2. When we add negative 5 plus 3, we get answer is, what is the answer? Minus 2 or negative 2. That is t equal to negative 2 by 2. That is negative 1. Negative 2 by 2. Answer is negative 1. This is the answer. Or this is the solution for second question. This is the solution for second question. And what is the next question? Next question is third one is what? 5x plus 9. 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3x. Is it? 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. That is 5x minus 3x equal to 5 minus 9. That is 3x is moving to left side and 9 is moving to right side. Is it? Yes. That is 2x equal to minus 4. 2x equal to negative 4. When we subtract 5 and 9, then we get negative 4. That is 2x equal to negative 4. That is x equal to negative 4 by 2. That is negative 2. That is answer is negative 2. Answer is negative 2. X is negative 2. When we give x as negative 2, we can check. There is also in question we can check. That is 5x plus 9. That is checking. When we checking 5 into negative 2 plus 9. That is negative 10 plus 9. We get negative 1. And 5 plus 3 into negative 2. That is 5 minus 6. We get negative 1. The answer is same. The answer is same. Is it? Yes. And next one is what? Fourth one is fourth one is 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. 6 plus 2z. Yes, 6 plus 2z. We want to find z, the value of z. That is, what is the answer? Anyone can say? Anyone can say? That is, when we want to solve z, that is, what is the first step? We move z. That is 4z minus 2z equal to 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. And we get 2z equal to 3. 2z equal to 3. That is z equal to 3 by 2. Z equal to 3 by 2. Z equal to 3 by 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. Any doubt? That is, when we give z as 3 by 2, we can check 4z plus 3 equal to 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. That is, we get 9. Is it? That is 4, we simplified by 2, that is 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 3, we get 9. And next one is 6 plus 2z. That is 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. That is 6 plus 3. That is we get 9. We get 9. The answer is same. The answer is same. Is it? Yes. So when we give z as 3 by 2, the answer is same and equation is satisfied or occupying or correct relation is. That is, next one is fifth one is 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. That is what we get, that is 2x minus or 2x plus x. Here is minus x and we are going to left side, it is going to addition. That is 2x plus x equal to 14 plus 1. That is one is going to right side. Is it? Yes. That is 3x equal to 15. X equal to 15 by 3. That is 5. That is 5. That is 5. That is value of x is 5. Value of x is 5. We can check. That is 2x minus 1 equal to 2 into 5 minus 1. That is 10 minus 1. That is answer is 9. And 14 minus x equal to 14 minus 5. We get answer is 9. The answers are same. The answers are same. Is it? Look at, that is when we give 2x minus 1, answer is 9. And also what? 14 minus x, there is also 9. We get answer is 9. Is it? Yes. That is the answer. That is the answer. So next one is sixth one. Sixth one is 8x plus 4, 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 7. Is it? 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Yes, this is correct. And that is we want to solve, or we want to solve the variable, or we want to find the value of variable. That is we can write 8x plus 4 equal to, when we open the bracket, we get 3x minus 3 plus 7. 3x minus 3 plus 7. That is 8x plus 4 equal to 3x plus 4. Is it? That is the answer is, when we add minus 3 plus 7, we get answer is 4. That is 8x plus 4 equal to 3x plus 4. That is next step is 5x. 5x equal to, why I write 5x? What is the reason? Reason is that is 8x. 8x, here is a 3x minus 3 plus 7. That is here also I check the question one more time. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. That is we can write 8x minus 3x 4 minus 4. That is 5x equal to 0. X equal to 0. X equal to 0. X equal to 0. We can check, when we give x as 0, 8 into 0 plus 4, we get 4. Answer is 4. Here x is 0, that is 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 7, that is we get also 4. That is, this is satisfied. This is satisfied. Next one is seventh question. Seventh question is, what is x equal to 4 by 5, 4 by 5 into x plus 10 into x plus 10. That is x equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. That is, when we multiply by 5 throughout, we get 5x equal to 5 into 4 by 5 into x plus 10. That is, here we can cancel, that is 5x equal to 4x plus 40. When we open the bracket, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 10, 4 into 10, we can write 40. That is 5x minus 4x equal to 40. Equal to 40. That is x equal to 40. X equal to 40. That is, here we can write what? 40. When we give x as 40, we can check 4 by 5. 40 equal to 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10. That is, what is the answer? What is the answer? That is 50. 4 into 50 by 5. That is 4 into 10. When we cancel 50 and 5 or simplify, we get 10. That is 4 into 10. That is 40. That is, answer is 40. That is, here is also 40. That is 40 equal to 40. That is true. That is true. And this is the equation, or this is the formation of when we solving the variables. Is it? We solving the variables like this. For another exercise 8, that is question number 8. What is 8? Question number 8 is, question number 8 is 2x by 3 plus 1. 2x by 3 plus 1 and equal to 7x by 15. 7x by 15 plus 3. That is 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. This is the next question. That is, we want to solve. That is, what is the answer? What is the answer? Answer is, anyone can say. That is, what first we do? Here is fraction. That is x in fraction. That is, we want to solve as whole numbers. Is it? That is, we can multiply it by 15 throughout. Then we get what? 15 into 2x by 3 plus 15 equal to 15 into 7x by 15 plus 15 into 3. Here is plus 15 means 15 into 1. 15 into 1, 15. So I write 15. And next is, what is the next? Here is, we can simplify 15 and 3. Is it? We can simplify 15 and 3. Is it? Yes. That is, we can simplify. Here is, we get 5. That is 10x. 10x plus 15 equal to, here what we, here simplify 15 and 15, then we get 7x plus 45. Is it? Yes. Is it? That is, when we multiply 15 and 3, we get 45 as product. Is it? Yes. That is 10x plus 15 equal to 7x plus 45. That is, what is the answer? Answer is minus 7x. 7x is coming to left side. And next one is 45 minus 50. That is 10x minus 7x equal to 45 minus 50. 45 minus 50. That is, what is the answer? Then what is the next step? 3x equal to 30. 3x equal to 30. That is x equal to what? 30 by 3. That is 10. That is 10. When we give the 10 as x, then we can write what? What is our question? 2x by 3 plus 1, is it? Yes, plus 1 equal to 7x by 50 plus 3. Is it? Yes. That is 2x means here x means 10. 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1 equal to what we can write? 20 by 3. Is it? 20 by 3 plus 1. That is 23 by 3. That is here 20 by 3 plus 1. That is 20 plus 1 into 3 all divided by 3. That is 20 plus 3 by 3. That is 23 by 3. And in right side, what is the right side? 7 into 10 by 50. That is plus 3. That is 70 by 50 plus 3. We can simplify by 5. That is 4. That is, when we add these, what we get? What is the answer? When we add like this, what is the answer? What is the answer? Here, when we divide, what we get? That is 40. That is 3 into 3, 9 by 3. That is 23 by 3. The answers are same. Answers are same. And the question number 9 and 10 for your homework. Today you have 3 homework. Please write homework in your notebook and find the solution. And any doubt, contact me. I wish you a good day. Thank you.